Have you noticed the hype? Baby animal videos are everywhere. Take this YouTube channel, for example. They've grown to 50,000 subscribers just by hopping on this trend, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Meanwhile, over on Instagram, theme pages focusing on baby animals are regularly pulling in million views per reel, which means massive reach and growth opportunities. And guess what? Pages like these are likely earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month just by selling digital products tied to these videos. That's impressive, right? So the question is, how can you create viral-worthy baby animal videos like this using AI and do it all for free? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to making your own viral content. Now let's dive in. Step 1, crafting the perfect prompt. The key to generating high-quality AI images is a well-written prompt. If writing prompts sounds tricky, don't worry, I've made it simple. Open ChatGPT, you can use the free version, and paste the ready-to-use prompt I've shared in the description below this video. Once it's pasted, just type, "Create 5 unique prompts featuring different cute baby animals." ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple ideas for you, like a tiny koala wrapped in a leaf blanket, or a baby otter floating on its back holding a flower. Now that your prompts are ready, it's time to transform them into stunning visuals. Step 2, generating high-quality images. This is where we bring your ideas to life. I recommend using Leonardo AI because it's beginner-friendly and generates incredibly realistic, high-quality images. Visit Leonardo AI and sign up with your Google account or email. It's free. As a new user, you get 150 tokens per day, plenty to experiment with. Navigate to the image generation tool and choose the Leonardo Phoenix preset. Select the following settings for optimal results. Prompt Enhancer. Set it to Auto for improved clarity. Style. Use the 3D render style for a lifelike, animated look. Aspect ratio. Set to 9:16, perfect for Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts. Copy your first animal prompt and paste it into the text box. Hit Generate. Within seconds, Leonardo AI will give you 4 adorable images to choose from. Download your favorite one and repeat this process for all your animal prompts to create a complete collection. Step 3, transform images into videos. To animate the image we've created, I'll use Domo AI. It is the ultimate tool for creating stunning visuals and videos with AI. Visit Domo AI's website, then sign in with Google account or Discord account. It's suit to you. With free plan account, Domo will give you 15 credits to use. Go to Domo AI's dashboard and select the Animate feature. Upload the images you've created. Choose options like animation style, video length, 5-10 seconds, and aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short video. Hit Generate and watch Domo AI turn your static images into vibrant, attention-grabbing videos. Each time you generate one video, it will cost you 5 credits. Repeat this process for your other images to build a full set of baby animal videos. Step 4, editing your videos with CapCut. Now let's make your videos stand out with professional edits. Open CapCut, available for both desktop and mobile. Import all the videos you've created, add some trending background music. You can use CapCut's built-in audio library or source free music from YouTube's audio library. Drag the music track onto your timeline to align with your videos. Adjust each video to a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the perfect format for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Combine 2 to 3 video clips into a single reel for a dynamic, eye-catching effect. Experiment with features like adding smooth transitions between clips, applying fun text animations for titles or captions, slowing down clips slightly to create a calming, adorable vibe. Once you're happy with the edits, export your final video. It's now ready to share and go viral. Bonus tip, the screenshot hack. If you're ever stuck on creating a great prompt, This trick will save you tons of time. Take a screenshot of an image you like. It could be from social media, a website, or anywhere. Upload the screenshot to ChatGPT. You can use tools that describe images if GPT version doesn't allow it. Ask it to generate a similar image prompt based on the screenshot. In moments, you'll have a perfectly tailored prompt ready to use with Leonardo AI. It's quick, easy, and opens the door to unlimited creativity. Your viral baby animal content is ready. And just like that, you followed 4 simple steps to create viral baby animal videos with the AI tools. Completely free. Found this tutorial helpful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with friends who want to level up their content creation game.